You're watching Action News Now. Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
And here's a look from the Ruby Bluff Alert wildfire camera in Sierra County today. You can see thin clouds roll in overhead, but skies stayed fairly sunny on this Saturday. Meteorologist Mark Thibodeau has our forecast.
Well, good evening, everyone. Watching the rain chances increase around here as we head through the next couple of days. Didn't really have a half bad Saturday. Had mild weather across the Mid-Valley, North Valley coastal areas. But now as we head through the nighttime hours, we're going to see that rain trying to push back in from the east a little bit. Could be raining by sunrise around Chico, 59 degrees. And we're looking at rain around Paradise, 54. Redding, North Valley seeing some rain as we head through the morning time. And then through 8 a.m. Sunday, again, plan on some wet weather as you step out the door. Higher elevations starting to see a little bit of a transition over to some wet snow. But the real transition is going to start Sunday night into Monday as we watch this heavy rain start to key up off the coast and then move inland as we head through Sunday night into Monday. Could be some very heavy rain across the valleys overnight Sunday into Monday, and those high elevation snow levels are descending down to about 5,000 to 6,000 feet here as we start the week. So the rain, the snow will be there for sure. Next 3 days, Chico looking at 1 to 2 inch rains around Redding, maybe a little more, 3+ inches. But next 7 days, everybody gets a healthy share of rainfall here, further knocking out this what little drought we have left over. Oroville looking at some heavy rain, as well as Chico, Paradise, Redding, some heavy rain. Higher elevations, yeah, we're talking snow here across the Sierra. West of Truckee could really be adding up along I-80. That could be a tricky trek here as we head through the next 3 or 4 days. North of Weaverville too. Next 7 days, look at the amounts here, way up. Maybe over 1.5 feet, really building that pre-winter snowpack here. West of Mount Shasta as well, north of Weaverville, looking at potentially some heavy snowfall. So as we head through the daytime on Sunday, again, it's all about the rain here. Weaverville 53, Hayfork 55, everybody in the mid-50s mostly. And then Mineral 42, Bernie 53, Chester 45, Quincy, some rain showing up. And again, the rain increasing, I think, by evening, getting heavier. So we're looking at Paradise at 51 and elsewhere looking at Inskip at 42 degrees with a chilly rain showing up here as well. And then rain likely for the North Valley here, Red Bluff, Redding, Anderson, upper 50s, especially the heavy rainfall as we get into tomorrow night. And then Hamilton City, 59 degrees, Willows 62, and Maryville 60 with rain as well. And you notice the common thing here is going to be some gusty winds too as we finish out your Sunday. So the bottom line is it's going to get wet as we head through the nighttime hours into Sunday morning, and then that's going to continue on and off throughout Sunday afternoon. I think we'll have a slug of heavy rain moving in as we head into Sunday night, Monday, with lowering snow levels across the Sierra as we start the new week. So 58 degrees for the high by Tuesday. That's our window of dry weather. Likewise, Wednesday, pretty good here in the Mid-Valley. Should be dry. Thursday, 54 with rain. Friday, Saturday, maybe not bad. Maybe some optimism for dry weather by the end of next week. That'll certainly be nice. Overnight lows in the low 50s Sunday morning. Wet finish to the weekend. Obviously, if you have a couple days off, middle of next week, you picked good ones. The weather looks pretty nice. As we take a look at the North Valley, likewise, next 7 days, very wet. Sunday, Monday, rain looks very likely. Could be some locally heavy rain. Tuesday, Wednesday, again, a block of dry weather. Towards the end of the week, more rain showing up Thursday, 55 for the high. Next Friday, Saturday, looking pretty good. Highs up in the mid-50s.